Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, I want to introduce one young and dynamic personality. He is none other than Mr. Bongimoli. Guys, you know one thing, when he was studying in ninth class, he is having one burning desire to serve the nation, to help the people, to solve all the problems in our present society. So that's why at that time he has decided to establish one charitable trust by the advice of one lawyer. So within 2 months, that means at ending of the ninth class, he has established one charitable trust. The charitable trust name is Swami Vivekananda Charitable Trust. And guys, you know one thing, all the students who are studying at ninth class, they always focus on love and education and enjoyment and entertainment. But Mr. Bongimoli is not like that. His aim is to become like a social servant. His main passion is to serve the nation. So, likewise, he is stepping forward. When he was started this charitable trust, all the people thinks that, hey, is Bongimoli alright? Is he out of his mind? Have he gone mad? What happened to him? Why his behavior is so abnormal? So likewise, so many persons passed a lot of rumors, and each and every person gossiping with each other, whispering with each other about Mr. Bongimoli. They are passing negative affirmations towards him. But he always says one thing. He always believes in Che Guevara words. That is, if you are a god, then the society will become like a lion. If you are a lion, then the society will become like a goat. So that's why Mr. Bongimoli wants to become like a lion. So that's why he doesn't want to listen any negative person words. He is always moving forward with his dream. His dream is to become like a social servant. Guys, do you know about XIAS Solutions Group? No, right? Just I want to give some information about XIAS Solutions Group. XIAS Solution Group is nothing but all the XIAS officers, 60 members, they will conduct one meeting in specific area. In that area, XIAS Solutions Group management wants to select one young youth officers. So they select some of the charitable trust names with that younger persons. In that persons, within 6 months, he is the one of the person in that group. In XIAS Solutions Group, only there are 20 charitable trusts. In the 20 charitable trusts, Mr. Bongimoli Charitable Trust is in 12th position. He is the 12th member in XIAS Solutions Group. Within 6 months, it's not a small thing to get success, to achieve something in very short age. It all happens in his 10th class. All the students are loving each other. All the students are focusing on their entertainment. But Mr. Bongimoli wants to achieve something in his life, in his childhood. So, not only in XIAS Solutions, but also in NRI Association. In NRI Association, only 8 charitable trust names are there. In that 8 charitable trust names, Swami Vivekananda Charitable Trust is the crucial charitable trust in that group. So, this is also happened in within 6 months of the establishment of Swami Vivekananda Charitable Trust. Likewise, he has achieved that. It's not possible to everyone, but in his short age, in a short span, he has achieved that. Guys, you know what is the main motto of Swami Vivekananda Charitable Trust? To provide job opportunities, to make heart surgeries, to help the heart surgery patients, and to support the merit students who are facing economical problem and financial problem, and to conduct social awareness programs to illiterate person, educated persons, childrens, and everyone, to make them aware in every issue. The main theme of this association is to stop the corruption and to solve the water problems in some villages. And the main important thing is to develop the villages. He has developed a lot of villages, not one or two. He has helped to lot of people. We can't count it on our fingers. So that type of person he is. And you know guys, after listening about this charitable trust, some of the hospitals like Geetham Hospital and Puttaparthi Sai Hospital, they asked Mr. Bongimoli to help the heart surgery patients. Guys, you know, he has helped 38 patients. It's not a small thing to help the heart surgery patients, but he has achieved it in that field. And one more thing, he has helped 26 merit students. Not one or two, 26 merit students. Mr. Bongimoli give them a beautiful life. He always wants to support the students. Guys, Mr. Bongimoli is balancing the education in one hand. In the other hand, he is moving towards his dream. Guys, when he was started this association, at that time, how many members are there with him? Not in ones, not in tens, not in hundreds. It's thousands. 2,500 people, 2,500 students are there with him. With that support, he has established the Swami Vivekananda Charitable Trust. Now, just imagine once, how many members will have with him? Just imagine once. Just take a guess. So, that type of person, his age is just 20 years. Now, his age is 20 years. But his dreams and his ideologies completely differ from all the persons. And his parents also always says him to stop these all things. Why? Because he doesn't eat food in time. He doesn't take sleep in time. Just he wants to roam on roads. He wants to help the nation. He wants to serve the nation. He wants to clear all the people problem. So that's why his mother also asked him to stop all these things. But he doesn't listen anything. Why? Because his main burning desire is to serve the nation. He is feeling the nation as his own family. How can he left the charitable trust on road? So that's why he doesn't listen any words of anyone. That's why he doesn't want to listen any words of anyone. And to serve the nation, Mr. Bongimoli wants some money, right? So that's why within short span of time, he is going to establish 3 manufacturing companies. One is books manufacturing company, one is slippers manufacturing company, one is LED manufacturing company. Why? Because in our present society, all the persons wants to do job in government sector. But no one wants to establish one industry, no one wants to establish one institution to provide jobs to the people. So if it is going on like this, our India will be like a developing country. How our India will be like a developed country? If all the persons wants to do jobs in government sector, if all the persons wants to go outside of the India to serve the other countries. So that's why Mr. Bongimoli wants to earn money and he also wants to give job opportunities to others. If all the people feels greedy, then our India will become like a Zimbabwe. We will also face some consequences like Zimbabwe. Definitely we will face Great Depression like Zimbabwe. By these people like Mr. Bongimoli, our country is still developing. If he stops his work, if the persons who are like him will stop this work, definitely our India will collapse. Great job, Mr. Bongimoli. Hats off to you. And he has sent 3 presentations to XIS Solutions Group. One is about unemployment, one is about district development, one is about corporate colleges. So, definitely he will have a great future within few days. And one more thing, guys, he always says one thing: try to take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you fail, you can guide. Nothing will happen, guys. Try to take risk in your life. Definitely, if you win, you can lead. If you fail, you can guide. So, always Mr. Bongimoli says this. Why? Because he took risk in his childhood. He had faced a lot of consequences, but he doesn't care about anyone. Why? Because his main motto is to serve the nation. So, great job, Mr. Bongimoli, sir. Thank you. Keep on moving like this. Really, sir. Hats off to you. And guys, that's it from my side. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, don't forget to mention it in comment box. And if you like this video, just subscribe our channel, and there is a bell icon beside that. It doesn't make any sound, but try to hit it once. Okay? Thank you, guys. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.